Okay, Kaden.
Box.
We got a ton of stuff, and
A box. A bag.
we've gotten way too far behind. We'll have to be doing separate unboxings. This is unboxing part 1. And this is how much we have, because we've just been kind of slack-a-dacking because we've been so busy with work and school. Okay, Kaden, what do you got?
I got.
What is that? Who's that from?
It's from Copper Jones.
Copper Jones. I'm actually really testing them right now, so I want to get this open so that I can do the 3rd week of testing with his other product. This is a newer one from Copper Jones.
I think this is a letter for you.
It is a thing here.
Oh.
Thanks.
We got a beard oil, a beard
butter. Ooh, stickers.
Wait, there were stickers? A new Copper John.
I know. I always like ordering from just to get the fly.
Yep.
Cool.
Is the shirt? Can you tell that by its face?
It's not. But it's not a shirt.
It is. Oh.
But you will see. Copper John sticker. Ooh, this is a really cool sticker.
I shall open up the oil. And luckily me, my lunch is now 12 to 1 apparently. So this is all good.
And very nice. Very nice.
I just need to get this open. I'm trying so hard to get it open.
He sealed it. He sealed it in.
But I may get it. I may have just gotten it.
So this is a new
just by
scent.
your nature. I got it.
What is this scent? Does it have a scent profile on it?
I'm trying so hard to open this.
I'm a helper today. Oh, I love this.
Can't open it.
Oh. Here, you can smell that then.
Oh, kiss. What is this?
It is butter.
Oh.
Angler's
code.
Angler's code.
Angler's code.
What's an angler?
An angler fishing.
Yeah, an angler is a fisherman. Ooh, very classic Copper John butter. Has the big hole in the middle.
Smells
poured, whipped. Poured, whipped. What do you think?
It smells good. I don't know what it smells like. What would you say it smells like exactly?
Oh, that is a hard one. Almost like
I actually can't guess.
It has like a cologne-y,
pineapple,
chocolatey,
pineapple.
Like maybe chocolate. Oh, I don't.
It's hard to say.
It's cologne-ish. All of his have been cologne-ish so far. I know he has a coffee one, but okay.
Scent profile.
What does it say?
Scent profile: burnt blood orange, lime, agave, golden, oud, oud, and myrrh.
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 Yep, myrrh.
Okay.
Holy moly! This is like oud and myrrh. Holy moly!
And this scent profile is burnt blood orange, lime, agave, golden golden oud, and myrrh.
Myrrh. Yeah, it's the same scent profile on both.
Myrrh.
Oh, this is super nice. And I was like, chocolate? Yeah, chocolate. No way. I guess. I don't know why I smell chocolate.
Let me smell.
Yeah, I guess. Interesting. It definitely has the high notes.
How did you smell chocolate?
Yeah, it doesn't smell like chocolate, does it? It's like pineapple. It smells like chocolate.
smells like pineapple. Not pineapple at all.
No pineapple at all. No chocolate at all in that one. Ooh, I'm glad he had the scent profile because I was way off. This I've been waiting on, and you can't buy this anymore, but I still wanted to show it off because I was so excited about it.
Dad.
What?
I'm probably gonna have issues getting. If I'm gonna have some
Hello.
issues.
Hello, issues. Holy moly.
Knock them off. Who's there? The issues. The issues where? The issues of my
You
hands.
have to cut it.
No, I'm gonna rip it open with my bare hand. Where's my... 1 second.
So one time when I was a little kid, we got a package that was unbreakable.
It's a shirt.
It's not a shirt.
It's a shirt.
It's not. It's
pants.
a hoodie.
It is. Oh.
And I love hoodies, and I have
mine.
to have. It
No,
is.
I'm
Guess
gonna
who
do-
again?
I'm gonna do a comfy test.
Oh, it's a comfy. Are you gonna do a comfy
I'm gonna
test?
do a comfy test. I know who this is, but I shall do comfy test.
Who is it again?
It is the clock.
The Hatbox Ghost.
Or, yeah, sorry. It feels comfy.
Ooh, yeah, he's kind of comfy inside. Woo! There we go.
Yeah, my hair's all.
Not his, but you know, he
Hey.
thinks he's gonna steal it.
I shall.
Ooh, so that's from Iowa Beard Co. I had to get this.
This is
It's part
cool.
of his fall line, his Halloween fall lineup. But I love it.
Feel the inside of it.
I know. I like hoodies a lot, and it's now getting into hoodie weather for Arizona. That's about as hot as it ever gets as hoodie weather. So
True.
yeah.
It's
Okay.
very true. We do not get a lot of cold weather here.
So we have that. Then we have.
Oh wait, why would I put it on the ground? I'm just gonna
Guess
pick it up.
who this is? He looks
It
like
is
a
the bearded Mac.
the bearded Mac.
Give me those scissors. And hopefully I can. No, I'm gonna bare hand this one.
I'm gonna bare hand this one. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm gonna bare hand it. Oh, this is kind of like a decal for your car. Oh no, it's not. Never mind. I'll shut up. It's just
Never mind.
It's a postcard. To lead, to inform, to help. Ionic inland sea minerals. Ionic.
This is in, this.
Oh,
Ooh.
there's a nice thank you card from the bearded Mac.
See, Dad? I opened
this
it
is
with
nice.
my bare hands.
Take a second to thank you for your order. It means
Ooh.
so much. You want to express how? Oh, yeah, very nice. Handwritten letter.
Oh, Dad. They got us instructions for if it's melted.
Oh, yep. See? See, that's what he did last time. Remember that we've had bearded Mac before, but I wanted to try out this new scent. I'm a big fan of
I'm gonna
bearded Mac.
try to open it.
He's from Arizona, you know, so all the Arizona cool people, I gotta try them out. You're cool from Arizona. Oh,
It
ooh, this is the
oh.
poured butter, so I am really excited to try this one. And I've heard that the honorable.
Wait, this won't be melted.
What is
because
the
it's
honorable
horrible.
Mac? Do you know what the honorable Mac? What does honorable mean?
Honorable.
Your honor.
Like
a judge.
honor is like honorable is like I'm guessing kind of like it's an honor, like
Yeah, I guess so. Well, no.
Honor to
Honorable
serve?
is like. Yeah, I guess that could be true. Like a judge is honorable. You're honorable. Your honor.
Ooh. It is not
Ooh.
melted.
Oh, that's a good
I'm pretty
thing.
sure the last one we had was melted, sadly.
He's changed out his formula just a tad so that when it came to Arizona specifically, it was a little different and it looks a lot different.
It smells amazing. Wait, what's this called though?
Honorable Mac.
Oh, honorable Mac. I didn't see that.
That's why I kept saying it and stuff.
Oh, there's a cat.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Smell it. Love it.
Oh, that's a nice smell. Does it have a scent profile on the label anywhere?
That's a good question.
I always try to like not know what they are originally, so then I can guess chocolate and things that are not even it.
It
But
has directions and ingredients.
directions and ingredients. So the ingredients are cool because these are read the ingredients really quick because these are always different than any other company.
Sal, Shay, Kupuka. No!
That's why I have you read it.
Muru.
You got that right.
Lip. Babasoo. Carrier oil blend, fragrance blend. How dare you? You knew I was gonna struggle. That's the only reason you have me read these, isn't it?
Because it's all exotic from Brazil or something.
You just tried
They're all nuts from Brazil. Okay, let's test. What does that one smell like? We know the butter smells pretty good, and the butter is definitely a different consistency. Like really interesting. It's definitely a poured, but it's light. It's not heavy.
Very light.
And I like the jars. Yeah, it's not extremely heavy, but I like it. It's still a kind of. He kind of goes with that whole. I think he's always had like kind of a cologne theme to his oils. There's always a little bit of cologne, just like I think that.
That was what it was when the other one we opened.
Both of them felt like a little bit of cologne. One was a little bit lighter. I love this butter. Good job, buddy.
Is this a sticker or is this as a card?
It's so different consistency-wise than your other butters. I'm really happy with this. Okay, so now, who's this?
This is.
I'm going to tell you something. That it's something from Egypt.
Sphinx Beard.
Yep, it's from Egypt.
Oh, I know who this
but
is.
it's from Sphinx Beard. Sphinx is from Egypt.
Don't cut myself. Dad, I'm opening this so weirdly.
Oh, no boy. Woo. Oh.
Oh, that's how you're supposed to open it.
No.
You can't even open it.
It's difficult.
No, I'm a bare hand this open.
It's really well put together.
Give me those scissors.
It's not.
Give me those scissors.
Don't let him do it. This is the part where he stabbed me or Kate. Get out of here. It's really difficult.
Wait, one sec. I know what to do.
No. What are you doing? Ooh. He's trying to do the...
Now, we close those scissors right there. And we open it.
Okay. Now we just have to, it's really well taped. It's not gonna leave. It's from Sphinx Beard. It's not leaving. It's in a box. It's in a bag. Oh, now it's in a bag.
Normally, from what we've had from this guy before, these are in boxes. So it's gonna be a box and a bag and a box. Or a box and a bag and a bag.
Yes.
It is a... Wait a minute. Wait one good minute. She has this wrapped. Oh, it's a bag and it's a box and a huge bag.
Ooh. It's like those little Russian dolls. Oh.
In a bag in a box.
In a box. And
a bag in a box.
And it's wrapped in bubble wrap. I love Sphinx Beard stuff. Remember, this is like all the colognes.
Oh, and it's 2 separate boxes.
2 separate big boxes, and within the box
is butter and oil, or butter. It has to be butter.
It is his new butters.
I was wrong. Whoa,
ooh,
these are
big size. Yes.
Now be careful because these are glass.
These are glass.
Makes these fancy.
These are the 4. These look like 4 ounces.
These are big. What are these?
3.3 ounces.
3.3 ounces. What are these? 4 ounces.
Well, I know. Well, this is about the size, but 3.3 ounces. That's a lot. What does this smell? Smolder. Oh, what's that one?
Smolder.
What's that one? It's on the top of the label.
La Friture.
Oh, those are my 2 favorite. Good job. Good job. These are my 2 absolute favorite from Sphinx.
Oh, I almost stepped on. Hey, I always smell first, young sir. It smells really good though.
It's so good. I love Sphinx. I love this smell specifically. It's like smoked oud and
I'll get it. I can't get
it. Yeah. Ooh, I got it.
No,
You just helped me. You just helped me. This one
Cologne.
is, yeah, these are both colognes, but this is high-end cologne. Oh, man, that is so good. Man, that is so good. And these boxes and presentation, just the presentation. Look at this. And then if you compare it to if you were to get a combo from him, you're gonna get this box, you're gonna get 2 smaller boxes, you get a trio, and you'll get a nice bomb. The bombs are really good as well, and I cannot wait to dig into this. This is amazing. These are great packaging.
And are very nice.
Yeah, and I was wondering how he was gonna do that, but he did a really good job with putting the labeling on the top, just like he did with the bombs. Because the oils have a little tag. So I was excited to see what he was going to do with that. And these are awesome sizes, 3.3 ounces. That is
very
huge
big.
amount. Very good products. These are top tier cologne scents. There's no ifs, ands, or buts. These are top tier cologne scents.
No, I may put them in. I put them in successfully. Now we get the scissors.
So what do we
back
think?
out
We
and
have
start cutting it open.
we have 3 very distinct companies and very different. One has exotic oils and exotic.
I cut a box. Box. Yep.
Do you have any puns for me?
No, I don't.
You don't have any puns?
Nope.
You have any pineapple? Do you smell any pineapple in this?
The box smells like pineapple.
The box smells like pineapple. Okay, well, that is all we have for today. We're going to do a part 2. I have some more stuff that has to be out. Probably see it next week.
And then after the part 2, we'll do a part 3.
There's always a part, well, that's all I think we have right now, but I have quite a bit of boxes that I've been just stashing out because I've been not making as many videos. And Caden hasn't been really wanting to do videos.
What? What do you
I
say
ratted
to
him
me?
out. I ratted him out. He's like, I'm too old for this. I want to play my Switch.
I've never said that.
Not once.
I only said that for the reviews because I don't really like doing the reviews.
Yeah, he doesn't like doing the reviews because
I love unboxings.
He loves the unboxing because he likes to smell them and then get what they smell like, and he likes opening up. It's like Christmas.
It's that Christmas all over again.
Did you see your little? I can see that your little mustache is
Yes,
coming
it
in.
is.
Little peach fuzz coming in. He's very excited about that.
This is my jacket.
Vote for Pedro. he's now. He's got a little baby mustache.
Wow.
Oh,
No,
Caden.
that was sad. That was just sad. Okay, this is my jacket now.
No, it's not. It's the
I'll
best
never
jacket.
like and subscribe. I will never have you. Let you have it.
All right, bye.
Never